Hi everyone, good morning. Just want to tell you a little bit about a product that I recently tried. I love primers. I think they're awesome for putting on before your makeup just to help everything stay put and stay in place. And I was noticing as I was approaching my later 20s that my pores on my nose started looking a little bit larger, so I really wanted to get a product that would help kind of with the appearance of large pores and stuff like that. I know that's a problem a lot of women have. I feel like it's not as bad. Like, people don't really like notice it on me as much as I notice it on myself, and I know that that's probably the case with most women. So this is a product by Benefit, and I was a fan of Benefit in the past because I had tried their products when I was really young and I had really liked their makeup, and they're really easy to come by. You could get them in a lot of makeup stores as well as online, so it's even department stores, so it's really not hard to find their products. So the POREfessional, it's a pro balm to minimize the appearance of pores. This is the small trial size. I always get the trial size if I can, just to see if I like the product before making the purchase to the bigger one. So the product description for this: POREfessional Pro Balm works to reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth looking skin. Apply the silky, lightweight balm alone or under or over makeup. Translucent, no oil formula complements all skin tones and helps makeup stay put. Contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin. How to apply. To use under makeup, apply to clean, lightly moisturized skin. Pat on problem areas and blend with fingertips. To use over makeup, pat on lightly over makeup and blend. Prime in the AM. Apply a thin layer to clean, lightly moisturized skin. Pat lightly from the center of the face outward with fingertips. Wait seconds, then apply makeup as usual. Apply whenever pores come out of hiding. If pores reappear, pat delicately on T-zone over makeup and blend. T-zone is like your forehead, nose, and chin, just like basically right center in the middle of your face. 8 seconds, then apply makeup as usual. Apply whenever pores come out of hiding. If pores reappear, pat delicately on the T-zone. So I just wanted to tell you guys that's what the T-zone is. I know that my nose and my forehead right in the center always get oily, especially if it's humid weather. So that's like the part that I'm constantly focusing on. So I suggest that that's the part that you guys focus on, like when you're applying it for the first time, just so they don't kind of come out of hiding throughout the day, especially if you don't have time to reapply. So the lightweight, no oil formula means a beautifully refined complexion. Beauty tip: apply a thin layer of the POREfessional Pro Balm to clean, moisturized skin. So basically right after washing, just making sure your skin is nice and dry afterwards. I just think that it's really great. Literally, you could get the same product online that you would get in like Sephora or Ulta or like any kind of makeup store. Really awesome. It's basically the best pore coverage I've ever used. Tinted slightly, so that means I think that seems to make a little bit of a difference, and I think it's great on any kind of skin tone. So I'm gonna just squeeze a little bit out because I want you guys to see. But it says Pro Balm to minimize the appearance of pores, and I think it's like a pretty blue and white color. It looks nice. Distributed by Benefit in San Francisco, California. So I just squeeze a little bit out on my thumb so you guys could see. Blends in really nicely. It almost looks like it's like lighter than my skin, but you'll see. I literally just rubbed it in like 2 seconds, and it's so hard to see in the video, but oh my goodness, like I feel like my thumb looks matte in the area where I rubbed it in. So it makes that's what I love. I love that look. Like, your skin looks matte. It looks completely flawless, and that's what I love about it, and that's what I love about this product. It gives me no breakouts, mattified face. It's just truly the best. So I think this is great if you have a problem, like if you have really big pores that are very difficult to cover up. People have tried fillers, powders, like you name it, and they weren't able to achieve that flawless look, and they're able to with this product, especially several of my friends who I know have had those problems. And I've never had a breakout or a bad reaction to the product, and I have somewhat sensitive skin, so you only need a little bit. It really goes a long way. And it just has it goes on very smooth texture, consistency, rubs in literally 2 seconds. It rubs in quicker than my moisturizer, and it's just the product is just so amazing to me, and I'm really, really, really happy with it. And a lot of primers I've used have made me break out within hours. This product does not. So it comes sealed up. I want to show you guys. It comes sealed up with this little aluminum thing. So just so you guys know, it's, you know, tamper free and everything. So when you open this up, this is the bottom that'll come on it. And then you'll just rip this off and your product is ready to use. So if you guys are looking for a primer, if you're looking for something to hide your large pores, I really suggest you guys try Benefit the POREfessional, and I know you're going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found the video useful.